Okay, we are back up at the cabin again, working on it. The trail to the cabin is getting pretty muddy. We've had a lot of rain here lately, and look at all the mud thrown back on everything. That was just trying to get up the hill because I had to put snow chains on just to get enough traction to pull the four-wheeler and the trailer up the hill. So, yeah, it kind of makes a mess, but I get it. I got it up here. Got a couple more 2x4s here. Those are almost 12 footers. And got some more that I found here. Those two look like they're about, or three look like they're about new. Right there. The other one is one of the 16 footers that I had. And the other 16 footer is up there on top. Now, let me show you what else I got. It's all muddy up here. Okay, I got some of these and some of these. And now we are into this building an extra $13.89. So, well, we was into it about $2 before, so about 16 bucks so far in what we got here. So that's still not too bad. I mean, we've got it to where we can start going up right here a little higher. See if we can do that today. think that's about where it's going to be. That's pretty steep pitch, isn't it? But I think it will work. Yeah. And best I can remember, that was a 12-footer, so the extra 2 foot sticks out pretty good in the front. I have to build some kind of overhang in the back too, I guess. But this is just to give me an idea of what I'm doing here. I think that'll work. See if I can get a few more up here. All right, here we have a few of them up. I have to get some more, of course, but got some so we can see how the roof is going to be anyway. Get back here a little bit. Yeah, there we go. Not bad. And then inside, show you what we'll have for a loft. Pretty good amount of room here. From about there somewhere up to there, that's plenty of room. And you see I already got the joist hangers ready for the rest of them. I'm going to put them on 2 foot centers. I guess that'll work. These 2x4s ended up all being 12-footers, so that's good. The other ones are a little less. And this one right here is a 16-footer I got from that pallet. Now I'm going to have to put in some more supports, probably one in here and maybe one in here somewhere. But I want to figure out where my windows are going to go first. All right, and then on the back, of course, I've got those other hangers. You can kind of see them. I drilled holes in the bottom of those. I actually have one more. I got to get some more of them, but see, it didn't originally have holes there. I just drilled holes, like 2 holes in the bottom of it. So it sits flat down on the 2x4 in the back, and the other one goes through it. So I think that'll work, probably. And I have to get several more, but it's coming along. Let me get another view of it here. All right, yeah, not too bad. I think that roof will be steep enough, probably. Yeah. Well, I think it'll work. I guess I'll get this trailer unloaded. Get all this junk out of here. Can't believe that mud. I wasn't sure I was going to make it up the hill there at first. I was spinning pretty bad. Hope it stops raining pretty soon. I know that much. And then here is some of my metal for the roof. I've got like 5 pieces here. And then I got more down the hill. Of course, I'm going to have to, there's several holes and stuff I'll have to fill in with tar. But I think it won't be that big of a deal. So, yeah. That is getting it, I guess. Yeah. It is coming along. And here's the supervisor. What do you think, supervisor? Alrighty. I think I'm going to head back down. Got a couple other things I got to do today, but that's going to probably do it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.